How to put Roman numerals in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Insert, then go to Special Characters. After that, you will have to search here Roman, and all the Roman numerals will appear over here. And now you can use it by simply clicking on it. It will also give you the name of the Roman numerals, like this D stands for 500, this L is for 50, C for 100, and like this. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.